Hey everybody, Alex here with another episode of Momentum Charting. Today we are going to be discussing Space, SPCE, Virgin Galactic. If you have not yet done so, please go down below, hit the subscribe button to make sure you get all the latest updates I do on space and all your other favorite stocks. After you do that, hit the bell notification and hit the like button. Thank you so much for becoming a subscriber. Let's dig into the chart here of SPCE. Since our last update, Virgin Galactic has continued on the bearish momentum we pointed out in the last video. Other than that, we've now got a very clear downward momentum slash resistance line in place with the two touch points of the top wicks of July 15th and July 16th. And this is on the 1 hour chart. So in order for the repair process to begin, we are going to need a break above this line of resistance and a start of a series of higher lows and higher highs. Set our trend line for a potential move back to the upside channel target around 57.50. Pulling out to the daily time frame, you can see here what's happening is starting to become a little bit more well defined in SPCE. It looks like we may starting to get involved here in a rather large channel with a very clearly defined level of support and a very well defined level of resistance around $57.69, $58, and the support coming in at $15. So this sideways moving channel could end up containing prices on SPCE for some time. That's the negative. On the positive side, obviously any hit down here at the 15 level, if that were to happen, would potentially be an excellent opportunity for a long position and working back to the upside or top of this channel. Going back to the 1 hour, having said that, this is our clearly defined trend line right now in place, the one that I pointed out last time, potentially breaking out earlier or all the way down here towards the end of July would possibly be when we break out. And this to me seems like a probable, if not very likely scenario, just because of the potentially forward-looking increased volatility that I think is going to happen in the markets over the next couple of weeks. So to me, this seems like a very logical trajectory on space. We just continue a slow bleed of prices towards the end of the month, possibly target somewhere in here in these zones between 26 and 15, somewhere in here to start our move to the upside back in earnest. So that's looking at our daily and 1 hour trend lines. Let's go over to the momentum chart here quickly. Daily time frame, nothing new, still headed down in earnest with this somewhat nasty negative divergence in place. 4 hour, we have not as of yet shown the slightest bit of relief on the 4 hour. We've still got that the momentum trajectory downward sloping resistance in place here. Hopefully getting some sort of relief rally in these areas down here around -11, but nothing as of yet has happened. I'm not showing any signs of this negative momentum slowing down here or any sort of relief rally where we can start pushing back to the upside, which kind of coincides with what we're talking about here, a potential bleed in prices over the next couple weeks in space. And same thing here on the 1 hour. So not a whole lot new to talk about here. And on the 1 hour, we do kind of have this pretty nice downsloping resistance in place. So if we were able on momentum to break above this downward sloping resistance line and eventually working our way back above the 0 line, this is when we could start looking towards a nice rally back towards the top of this channel in space. Not seeing anything like that happen yet, but Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you get all the updates I'm going to do on space and all your favorite stocks over the next couple weeks. Hit the like button. Thanks so much for becoming a subscriber. I will see you again shortly in the next video. Thank you so much, and bye for now.